Lesson 3, Content number 3.2.1. To find magnetic field at a point along the axial line of the magnetic dipole or bar magnet. From the diagram, N is bar magnet, N north pole of the bar magnet, S south pole of the bar magnet, O center of the bar, that is geometrical center of the bar magnet. In distance between the bar magnet, that is n comma a, between the ns is equal to L. L is the distance between O S, another L is the distance between the O and N. C is a point, distance R from the O. R minus L is the distance between North Pole and C. R plus L is the distance between North South Pole and the C. The magnetic field at a point C due to the North Pole is Bn vector. Here Bn stands for magnetic field at a point C due to North Pole. Bn vector, say a vector quantity. B magnetic field is a vector quantity, is equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by R minus L the whole square I cap. This equation is obtained from Coulomb inverse square law. Again, the magnetic field at a point C due to the south pole is Bs vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by R minus L the whole square I cap. Here R minus L is the distance between south pole and point C. The net magnetic field due to the magnetic dipole at a point C, B vector is equal to Bn vector plus Bs vector. B vector is a magnetic field is equal to sum of magnetic field at a point C due to North Pole, magnetic field at a point C due to the South Pole. Substitute the known value Bn value, Bs value in this equation. B vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by R minus L whole square I plus mu naught by 4 pi Qm by R plus L whole square I cap. B vector is equal to mu naught Qm by 4 pi from this above equation. So R minus L the whole square is common. From the above equation, mu naught by 4 pi Qm is common, taking outside. Q mu naught by 4 pi Qm bracket 1 by R minus L the whole square minus 1 by R plus L the whole square I cap. Next, B vector is equal to mu naught Qm by 4 pi. So, expand this equation. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, and A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. So cross multiplication, R plus L the whole square, R minus L the whole square divided by A plus B whole square to A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus B square. Here R plus R minus L the whole square, R plus L the whole square is equal to R square minus L square whole square. So B vector is equal to mu naught Qm by 4 pi. Expand this equation, A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here R plus L the whole square is equal to R square plus L square plus 2RL. Again A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. R minus L the whole square is equal to R square plus L square minus 2RL. So multiply minus in this equation, we obtained R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square plus 2RL. R square minus R square cancel, L square minus L square cancel. So finally B vector is equal to mu naught Qm by 4 pi 2RL plus 2RL equal to 4RL by R square minus L square whole square. So from the diagram, distance R is very greater than distance L, that is midpoint of the bar magnet and C R distance very larger than distance between N O S O L is very small. So R square minus L square whole is approximately R power 4. Substitute this value in this above equation. P vector is equal to mu naught Qm 2L into R by 4 pi R power 4. So cancel R by R power 4, R cube, obtain R cube. So mu naught into 2 into Qm2L by 4 pi r cube. So total magnetic field at a point C due to a bar magnet B total vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 into Qm2L by r cube. Here Pm vector magnetic dipole moment Pm vector is equal to Qm to either product of pole strength and distance between the magnet 2L. Substitute this Pm value in the above equation. B total magnetic field is equal to mu naught 2 Pm by 4 pi r cube I cap. From the above equation, Pm I cap is equal to Pm vector. So total magnetic field at a point C due to a bar magnet dipole B vector is equal to mu naught 2 Pm vector by 4 pi r cube. This is the total magnetic field at a point C along the axial line of the bar magnet.